Good morning, students. Today we are making Taj Mahal topic, ninth class. So how to make it? We are making first of all rectangle shape. This is making in center. Size I am telling you 10 centimeter horizontal line and 8 centimeter vertical line 8. After this, divide left and right side scale size line. You can call it 2 centimeter line. This side space leave. Now we are making this the dome part, and then we are making left and right side also. After this, which is inside part, that all erase. Okay, after this we are making left and right side this way line. After this we are making this line, and at last we are making small domes also, little domes. These we will make the little domes, very little, this way, very little domes are these. Okay, after this what we will do, we will make now this line down, from this side also this line down, and now make the top parts this we are making. After this what we will do, we are making this part complete. First of all, there is one circle, then small circle, then oval, then there is one more circle, then there is one moon shape, and then there is one more circle. So same in all do, there also do this way, in this also. So when you finish this much, you are making pillars now. For pillars what you will do, you will do this line curve. This line will go down curve from left side also and from right side also. I will say to you, keep your this picture space equal. Now first of all we are making the small pillars. Small means this way. Keep the line slanting, like narrow to wide, from downside narrow, upside downside big, upside narrow. Same this side also do. I hope you understood how to make that. Minars you can call it in English, in Hindi minars. This. After this what to do, make this way 3 equal lines, that is a oval like shape with straight line. After this we are making the big line, big minar which is very big, this way. Leave the space. After this we are making the next minar, right side. And there is also 3 to 4 cuttings. I am making 3, you make 3. After this little line, and now we are making this side. Divide your space equally so that it become good and equal. Then make 3 cuttings there. So we have this way complete Taj Mahal shape. Now what to do? Now we have to erase everything inside. We will erase which is inside everything. Only keep the outline shape like this. You can erase this also. We now need this also. Only we are keeping the main outline of the Taj Mahal. Like you can call it the main outline Taj Mahal. We need only. Okay, when you erase it, you will get outline of the Taj Mahal. You can clear again, meant to say make again little proper way, and then your basic picture will be ready. This way. Back side you will have to show the sky color, sky in evening time, like there is a orangish, reddish, yellowish color mixing in the